Itong father try to talk to my advisor, but she is unavailable. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Unavailable? C, B, reavailable? Reavailable? C, unavailable? D, disavailable. Father tries to talk to my advisor, but she is
unavailable. Hindi siya pwede.
Ang sagot niya ay C, unavailable. Correct. Unavailable. So, the car accident was A, disavoidable. B, unavoidable. C, misavoidable. D, unavoidable. Parang ito, unavailable. The car accident was na-aksidente daw yung car. Was hindi siya nakaiwas, parang ganun. Unavoidable. Disavoidable or unavoidable. Kasi ang ibig sabihin ng car accident, 'di ba? Sinasabi dito, kapag ginamit mo yung reverse action. So, unavoidable. Reverse action. Na? Hindi niya naiwasan. Okay. Number 3, I can't find my book anywhere. It seems to. Hindi daw niya mahanap yung kanyang book sa kahit saan. It seems to. Nakita daw niya. Reappear. Misappear. Disappear. O inappear. I can't find my book anywhere. It seems to misappear. Kasi nakalimutan niya. No. Misappear. Yung reappear kasi again yun. Yung misappear na wrong niya, nakalimutan niya. Disappear, opposite naman yun. It seems to disappear, nawala, ganun. Yung inappear, misappear, letter C. So number 4, the kinder pupils blank the direction so the teacher repeated the instruction. A, misunderstood, disunderstood, ununderstand, re-understand.
Repeat. D.
Disunderstood. D, re-understand. No! The kinder pupils misunderstood the direction, so the teacher repeated the instruction. The kinder pupils Ununderstand. Misunderstood. Kasi, ibig sabihin ng misunderstood, hindi niya naintindihan yung direction ng teacher. So, nirepeat ng yung instruction niya. So, misunderstood. Hindi naintindihan. Di ba? Get it? Okay, number 5 na tayo. So, sa number 5, the carpenter wanted to blank the broken stair. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yung carpenter daw ay blank the broken stair. Misplace, replace, o displace, o in place. Misplace, no? Kasi sabi niya, the carpenter wanted to misplace the broken stair. Nakalimutan daw niya na sira yung stair. Okay? Ha? Replace? The carpenter wanted to replace the broken stair. Replace?
Replace again.
Replace pala. Mali tayong dalawa, kit-kit. Okay, replace the broken stair. Okay. The pupils clean the mess and their blank room. So, yung pupils daw ay nililinis niya yung magulong blank. Magulo eh. Mistidy, distidy, untidy, o untidy. Letter D, untidy. Room. Hindi daw malinis. Nakits mo? Ha? Kasi clean to eh, clean. Tapos untidy, o ibig sabihin, ano siya, opposite. Di ba? Untidy. Okay na. Number 7. Parang ako lang sumasagot na. Number 7. The leader was angry to find that he had been blank. Yung leader daw ay nagalit at hinanap daw niya yung blank. Disinform. Hindi daw inform. Disinform. Uninform. Misinform. Uninform. Disinform. Uninformed.
Hindi.
Had been disinformed. Misinformed. Kasi kapag disinformed, nagalit siya. The leader was angry, nagalit siya to find that he had been disinformed. Ay, pag im-inform, pag im, ang ibig sabihin sa im, opposite. Kapag release from, or action. Kapag miss, pagkakamali. So, pag this, opposite. Ito na, misinform. Ha? Pag this, opposite. Ay, pag miss, wrong. Okay, misinform. Nowadays, it's blank to predict the weather. Unpossible, disposable, impossible, 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 or impossible. Nowadays, is a blank to predict the weather.
Impossible to
Naisip daw niya na ngayon daw ay blank na na-predict daw niya yung weather ay impossible, impossible, disposable, impossible. Impossible, C. Nowadays, it's impossible to predict the weather. Okay, no, impossible. So, okay, they think it's a bad idea. They think it's a bad idea. They totally blank. Naisip daw niya na bad idea. So, they totally, or ang ano daw ay, ang pagkakaano niya ay misagree, unagree, reagree, disagree. Disagree. Diba? They think it's a bad idea. They totally disagree. Ito. Diba? Mrs. Contis hired that man to blank. Here, driver. So, replace to her driver.
No.
Unplace, misplace, displace. Mrs. Contis hired that man to displace her driver. Mrs. Contis hired that man to replace her driver. Ano ba? Si Mrs. Contis daw ay nag-hire ng man to replace her driver. Replace, no? A. Replace her driver. Papalitan niya yung driver. Diba? Nag-hire siya ng man para mapalitan yung driver. Kaya, tama? Okay. Dito naman tayo sa next. The pupils were so happy when their field trip was rained out.
Unhappy.
The pupils were so unhappy when their field trip was rained out. Okay, very good. Ang sagot niya ay unhappy. The baker has to heat the oven before he could bake the cake. The baker has to unheat, misheat, reheat. Reheat. No. Inulit niya ang pag-heat para daw before he could bake the cake. Before he could bake the cake. The baker has to reheat the oven. Ibig sabihin, pinainit niya muna. No. Tama? Number 3, you have to blank, plug the appliances before leaving the house. Sagot. Sagot. Yan yung saksakan. Oo. 'Di ba kapag aalis ka ng bahay? Very good. Hindi ko po tinagalog sa'yo. Hindi mo maintindihan. Okay. Number 4. When the wind blow hard. Sagot. Firefly is ano yan? Yung lumilipad. Firefly, di mo alam? Yung kumikintab na lumilipad. Kumukuti-kuti-tap. Aray tap-tap. Oh. Blank appeared when the wind blew hard. Siya daw ay nawala. Disappeared. This, diba, not, ano siya, yung this, yung opposite. Disappeared when the blow hard. Humangin ng malakas. Diba? Diba? Ibig sabihin ng wind blow hard. Nagmalakas. Humangin. Natural. Mawawala talaga siya. Kaya disappeared. Oh, the boy was blank. When he told his teacher, he finished the test. Nagsabi daw siya sa teacher na siya ay finish na. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Dishonest. Siya ay hindi nagsasabi ng totoo kasi nagsabi siya ng finish daw. Mamimili ka lang naman dito. Oh. Honest. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng im? Opposite, di ba? Di ba? Yung reverse. Yung miss, wrong. Yung this, opposite din. Ito, again. Okay. The announcement of the troop leaders, blank, lead the Boy Scout. Mislead, ano ba? Yung nag-announce daw yung troop leaders na pamunuan yung Boy Scout. Dislead, relead, mislead, unlead. Para siyang mislead, parang nakalimutan niya. The announcement of the troop leaders mislead the Boy Scout. In-announce niya daw na hindi daw niya mapapamunuan ng Boy Scout. Okay? Or imlead. O, ganun. I can transfer the table because it's movable. I can't transfer the table because it's movable. Ibig sabihin, hindi daw niya matatransfer yung table kasi ito ay hindi gumagalaw. Ang movable, ano ba? Removable. Ayan, no? Tama. Removable. Ibig sabihin, lagi siyang galaw ng galaw. Ganito. Diba? Ganon. Naintindihan mo na? Removable. Natatanggal. Pag movable, gumagalaw. Kapag gumagalaw-galaw. Why don't you blank start the computer? It's not responding.
Restart. No.
Restart. R-E. Okay na. The teacher scolded the pupil because of
behavior.
Unbehavior or disbehavior. Itong kasi reverse, diba? Unbehavior. Okay na? 9. Unbehavior. I had to blank my shoes so I could take them off. Hindi daw niya maayos. Antay, yung mga ganon. Yung masintas. 'Di ba? Ayun, kaya antay. Okay, very good. Ang hindi ko lang malam kung saan ito gagamitin. Ay, baka ito na lead, lead. Ang di ba opposite din, no? Opposite, no? Baka dito siya sa lead. Okay na.